Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
GMT in every way that really matters rose 21.99% in 7 days in an extremely significant manner. Bears control GMT's truly current cost activities, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn fundamentally is drifting at $315.95, 195 is on, or so they basically thought. Current stepn cost by and large is $0.3228 February 2024. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these regularly especially sought clarification on some things facts. What generally is momentary cost expectation for stepn, in a real sense is GMT a very wise venture, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to jumping certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely critical. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 184%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to 237, 612, 272, 306 in every way that really matters significant way. The very all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $163, 559 to 595, 3074 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16-33%, which basically is very critical, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum, explicitly has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, really in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, exhibiting that the really complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $163, 559, 595, 374 in an especially enormous manner. Sol, the very local coin of Solana especially, is up by 4.2 and at present exchanging at $112.25, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, XRP came to $57 subsequent to seeing a decay of 4.7% in esteem, which certainly shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn for the most part is floating at $315.95, 195 as in an unpretentious manner. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a really descending bearing for commonly present moment, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $237, 612, 272, 306 in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a very broad by and large regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchases basically become in every way that really matters all the more lovely, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that stepn support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move all things considered dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that Sol, the very local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 4.2 and right now exchanging at $112.25, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of stepn. GMT stepn execution. The cost of stepn GMT is at $32, down 6.45% in the beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week, showing how support explicitly is a level at which purchasers really become commonly more genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that stepn support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC is 315.95 195 as USD, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $445 935 315 USD, showing how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole digital money market to $237 612 272 306 in an especially enormous manner. There by and large, a very nearly 385 950 707 generally are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, or so they especially thought. Stepn Value Investigation GMT Cost Examination for 28 February 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time period explicitly made sense of underneath, or so they especially thought. We utilize most certainly relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving. Midpoints including kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal SMA and dramatic moving commonly normal MA to all things considered, dissect the future development of the stepn, exhibiting that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market all things considered is going in an especially descending course for in every practical sense present moment, which shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $237 612 272 306, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 37, which certainly is genuinely huge, while GMT's Williams % R market truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange truly signal especially is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $237 612 272 306, which in a real sense is very huge. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, which generally is very critical. Stepn financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday outline, so however prior to plunging all things considered, profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially